Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set your fleet as default in the marine traffic application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the right. And then if you scroll down at the tools section, click on the settings button. And then click on the my fleets button. And then click on the fleets settings button. And as you can see, I have two fleets and one of them is set as default, but if you want to set the other one, then just click on the three dots next to the fleet, and then click on the mark as default button. And as you can see, the other one has now the default mark on it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.